In this walkthrough, I will compare the basic and professional website options. Basic is for operators who need a clean, hosted website quickly. It gives them a credible public page, a request form, pickup information, and a better renter path than scattered text messages alone. Professional is for operators who want the website to become a growth asset. It supports a fuller homepage, vehicle sections, service area content, local SEO pages, bilingual renter access, social links, public rates, and partner policy pages. Both options still send renter requests into VettyDrive. The difference is not the dashboard workflow. The difference is how much public presence and local search structure the operator wants. Use Basic when the operator needs to look professional fast. Use Professional when the operator wants to own more demand, rank for local searches, and build a real direct rental brand. The simplest way to say it is this: Basic gets the operator in the game. Professional helps them compete locally.